PC21 is our all-through trainer. Anyone joining reference skills to flying vehicles?
Flying instructors.
And run assistant. Right, so that's the best. We've got 5 and 6 braking left and right. They're going to set up just on the inner side. And overhead we'll see Roulettes 1 through 4 coming into the T to box formation for us hunting subs and ships out.
A macro or minimum of 3 metres apart. This is where we see they keep up some film relations.
Rollbacks.
Now, Rui, how difficult is this manoeuvre? Because we're seeing a fairly synchronised display.
It's really difficult to put into documents simultaneously and coming through from the Rui, what do we got? It's normally Ruperdale. We've got a good aspect of the aircraft with the canopy up to the crowd, give them a good wave.